Good day, everybody. This is Mitch again. I was looking at the Facebook group we have for the Xtool M1, and a lady named Eva posted this image here that she wanted to recreate inside XCS. I've actually done something very similar to this, so it's actually pretty simple. We get to use a couple cool tools. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to replicate the outside circle. So I'm going to set this to circle. I'm going to draw a circle over here, and that circle happens to be 170 millimeters across. Next thing I'm going to do is I need to figure out how big these small circles are, which I already did a little test there, and they are also 8 millimeters. So I'm going to draw an 8 millimeter circle, and then I'm going to place this inside of the other circle, kind of sort of in the middle, and I'm trying to get it like this. Now the problem with this image, the circles are not actually spaced. You would think that they would be spaced exactly. They're in a circle, inside of a circle, but they're not equidistant from the edge. And what we're going to do is we're going to make them be equidistant. So I'm going to change my big circle, put it on the red layer for cut, and also that one. I'm going to put it on the orange layer just to be a little bit different. Okay, so if you've never used the circular array tool, it's kind of confusing, to be quite honest. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set these copies to 13, so there's just 13 circles. And we have, since we're in a circle, we're like, what is our starting and ending degree? So we're going to start at 0 and end at 360, which means it's going to make a full circle replicating these things. Now, these other two numbers are kind of strange, and they're not exactly what you think they are. So let me just start moving. We're only going to change one of them, but let me just start moving it. As I move it, you'll notice changes happening to the small circle. And what I'm doing, I am just moving the X until it gets into a pattern that I like, that is far enough away. I think that looks pretty close. Yeah, I think that looks pretty close. So remember, once you click that done button, you're finished with this. So if you may need to make a change to the thing, to the array, you're going to have to either do it one by one or undo this and start over again. So I think that looks perfectly fine right there. What this will do is it will create a group of circles. You can tell by the ungroup button being there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to hold the shift key down. We're going to select the big circle, and we are going to align the centers to make sure that everything is in alignment. And there we have it. So we've pretty much recreated exactly what this is within reason, but more precise, I think. So hopefully this solved our problem. Thanks a lot.